quick video, I will be showing you how you can add automatic subtitles for your YouTube videos. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to open up your YouTube and you will get right here. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to add subtitles, so there's an option available on YouTube that automatically generates the subtitles in your selected language. So once you get to your channel, to your account, you're going to go to your YouTube studio. So this is what your YouTube studio will look like. And now you have to go to your subtitle option. You can see we have subtitles on YouTube available. So you will go to the subtitles and then you will select the video where you want to add the subtitles. So I will select this video. Let's say, make this default for my channel. We can also use this option to kind of like add subtitles in this language for all of the videos. If you do not want to use it as default, then you can leave it. Now, what I'll do is I'll select my language. Let's say I want to actually add Chinese subtitles for my videos. So I can select Chinese from here and select make this default. So Chinese subtitles will be generated every time for my YouTube videos. But if you do not want to do this, you can just actually turn off this option. And for this video, let's say I want to add English subtitles. So I'll just search for English here. There you go. We have English United States. Perfect. Click on confirm and subtitles will be generated for your YouTube video. Keep in mind, these are going to be automatic subtitles. So sometimes there are going to be some mistakes that you can actually check. So this way you can generate automatic subtitles on YouTube. You don't need to use any third-party tool. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.